students. done in our mouth. So correct answer is mouth. Killing of bacteria. Correct answer is stomach. Then complete digestion of food. Small intestine. Then next is formation of fecals. Large intestine. So all these things like absorption of food, chewing of food, killing of bacteria, you will write like this only, and you will put a dash, and the things which I have written on right hand side, that you have to underline. Please do underline. Yes students, I hope this is understood by you all. Next question is question number 7. Write one similarity and one differences between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Okay, so we will write one similarity. The digestion of food and release of energy takes place in both the organism. It takes place in amoeba as well as the human being. So this is the similarity, and we need to write one differences. So the digestive system is well developed in human being, whereas it is less developed in amoeba. We all know that amoeba is a unicellular organism, whereas human body is well advanced developed body. So there is the difference in their digestive system. Clear students? Now coming to the next question number 7. Draw a well-labeled diagram of human digestive system. Draw a well-labeled diagram of human digestive system. This answer you will find on your NCERT textbook, chapter number 2, page number 12 and figure 2.2. Don't write like this, okay? Like as I have written, no, page number 12, figure 2.2. Don't write like this. You have to draw the diagram which has been given on your NCERT book, page number 12, figure number 2.2. Understood? See here, the space I left. You are supposed to make the figure which has been asked here. Clear students? So I hope you all understood students. Please do all these question answers on your notebook neat and clean. Okay? Thank you so much.